Life on Earth, as we know it, can thrive only within a certain condition that is conducive for growth and survival. The solar energy is the source of energy of the biosphere that flows into ecosystems. The ecosystems then recycle the chemical nutrients that their organisms need for survival, growth, and reproduction. These processes that sustain nature itself for billions of years were supported and enhanced by biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the total variety of life on Earth, the natural system in which organisms exist and interact, and the natural services that these organisms and living systems provide free of charge. These are the major components of Earth's biodiversity: ecological diversity, species diversity, and genetic diversity. The Earth's biodiversity is a vital part of the natural capital that helps keep us alive and supports our economies. With the help of technology, we use biodiversity to provide us with food, wood, fibers, energy from wood and biofuels, and medicines. Biodiversity also plays critical roles in preserving the quality of the air and water, maintaining the fertility of topsoil, decomposing and recycling waste, and controlling populations of species that humans consider to be pests. In carrying out these free ecological services, which are also part of the Earth's natural capital, biodiversity helps to sustain life on the Earth. However, human activities are decreasing the Earth's vital biodiversity by causing extinction of species and by disrupting habitats needed for the development of new species. Thus, it is our ethical responsibility to prevent the degradation of the world's ecosystems and their overall biodiversity. We can protect biodiversity in our own ways. We need to avoid plastics whenever possible, and where we cannot avoid them, then we must reduce, reuse, and recycle. We can switch off lights or any electronic appliances when not in use, sustainably use and conserve our natural resources such as water. By replanting degraded areas, we can restore them to health and provide habitat where any species can thrive. As an environmental engineering student, we have the core knowledge about biodiversity. Hence, we should educate people about the importance of maintaining the balance in nature. Everywhere on the planet, species live together and depend on one another. Every living thing, including man, is involved in these complex networks of interdependent relationships, which are called ecosystems. Biodiversity is the key indicator of the health of an ecosystem. It provides countless ways for life to adapt to changing environmental conditions. Without it, most life would have been wiped out long ago. Thus, we should protect biodiversity, repair ecological damage that we have caused, and leave the Earth in as good condition as we found it, or better.